Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Google Drive profile picture on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Google Drive, and as you can see from my Google Drive account there are no profile picture here guys. If you want to change this, you just have to go ahead and now tap on this Google account options. After, just tap on this icon, which is profile icon. We'll see the camera icon here. Tap on this add profile picture, and it will be entered to this page guys. This is the image and the picture that provided by the application that you can use as your profile picture. And if you have your own photo or your own picture for your Google Drive account, just go ahead to this device options at the top, and now tap on this browse or take a photo, and it will be a pop-up like this. You can open the camera if you want to take a picture real life, and if you want to choose from your gallery, just go ahead these options. And this is for my pictures on my gallery guys. For example, I'm gonna use this one for my Google profile photo, and it's uploading as you can see. And now you just have to adjusting first. Tap on the next if you're done. Now go ahead to this save as profile picture. You have to wait for a second, it's processing. And as you can see, there are information at the bottom that profile picture updated. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.